Hi family, hi guys. Yan po, nagisa na po natin. Pinakukulo na po natin para lumambot ng konti yung carrots at yung ating repolyo. Ito po, lagay na po natin ang ating shrimp. Toppings lang po natin yan dahil nagisa na po natin yan. Wow! Beautiful! Ayos! Ito po ang ating mahiwagang red bowl. Iyong. Kuha po tayo ng wala palang service spoon. Wow. Kuha tayo ng kaprasong hipon. Iyong. Konting patis lang guys, family. Sarap guys, family. Polyo, toge, ginisang ulam for tonight, guys, family. Ginisang toge. Beautiful. Partner ng ating ginisang toge. Yung lechong manok natin. Tingnan natin kung masarap to. Tingnan natin kung malambot. Ayan. Wow. Ayan po. Malambot po. Guys, family. Ayan, kinamay ko na. Wow. Ayan po. Tikman po natin kung malambot. Wow. Ang sarap. Lechong manok from Woolworths. Dating Countdown. Beautiful. Ulam for tonight. Lechong manok from Countdown Woolworths. Beautiful. Hi family, hi guys. Ito po yung ating turbong manok. Ayan. Lagay na po natin sa atin. Serve na po natin. Wow. Beautiful. Ayan po ating turbong manok. Family guys. Kunin natin yung drippings. Yan po yung ating gagawin sauce.